Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today's recipe, I'll be sharing with you how I make this delicious egg and plantain pizza. If today is your first time or first day of stopping by, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. To my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. So let's get started. To begin, I have 2 ripe plantain already washed. Now clean up with my paper towel. Next, I went ahead to peel off the skin, then cut it to my desired shape. You can also do that as well. Once I'm done slicing my plantain, I went ahead to sprinkle some salt to it, mix until it is well combined and set aside. Next, in a clean dry frying pan, I placed in some vegetable oil allowed to heat up. Once that is done, I added in my onions, fry for like 2 minutes. Then gently place in the plantain slice into the oil, one at a time. Then fry on one other side for about 2 minutes. Flip to the other side and fry for another 2 minutes. Or once it is golden brown, remove and place it on a paper towel to absorb excess oil and set aside. Next, in a large bowl, crack in all the eggs, whisk and set aside. In this recipe, I'm making use of 8 eggs. Once done, set the egg aside. So next, place in 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil and let it heat up on a medium heat. Then add in the chopped onions. Fry for like 2 minutes. Exactly 2 minutes. Then add in the carrots, stir for 2 minutes. Then add the fresh tomatoes. Of course, we are going to be stirring. Then add in the minced bell pepper, seasoned cubes, black pepper, ginger and garlic paste, fresh pepper, salt to taste. Then stir for another 2 minutes. Once that is done, turn off the heat and set aside. Next, in the already whisked egg, add in the sausage bell pepper mixture, mix to combine. Then adjust with some salt or seasoned cubes if needed. I went ahead and added in some cheese, but that is optional. Mix to combine, then set aside. Next, in a frying pan, I added little olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then pour in the egg mixture into the pan and start to arrange the fried plantain on top of the egg mixture. Once I'm done with that, I sprinkle some cheese on top of it, cover the frying pan and let it simmer on low heat until the cheese melts and the egg is well cooked. Now let's check on our egg and plantain pizza. As you can see, the egg is well cooked and our cheese is well melted. It is ready, guys. It is ready to be served. This is great for breakfast. Guys, this egg and plantain pizza tasted so super delicious. Look at what I am seeing. So now it's time to cut the pizza. Tasted so super yummy-licious, guys. You will love this recipe. Hope you will be trying it out. Honestly, if you do, for the meantime, you will keep eating this particular egg and plantain pizza. Thank you, guys. We have come to the end of today's video. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much, and remember, please see you on my next video. Bye.